Welcome back to Zubee's Organic Kitchen, where we share with you healthy recipes, tips, and the inspirations we all need to take charge of our health. I am so excited that you're here. Stay tuned. Welcome back. If you're new to this channel, please take the time to subscribe to our channel and share our videos if you like them. Okay, so today I'm going to be making another version of my green smoothie for my weight loss challenge group. I call it freeing the fat. Okay, when you lose something, you tend to want to get it back, and we don't want the fat back, right? We want to be able to free it and let it go so we can maintain what? Healthy weight, right? So I'm going to be making the green blast today. I have a bunch of arugula. I have some avocado. It's one avocado actually. And then I have one cucumber, wash, chop, make sure everything is organic, okay? And I have one apple and 6 pita dates and about 1/4 cup of lemon juice. All right, I also have some pea protein and some sea moss supreme. All I'm going to do is dump everything into the blender together with 2 cups of water and just get it done. All right, let's do it. To get started by blending my greens first. That way I'm able to get the texture I want clearly, okay? So I'm going to put this arugula in here, blend it a little bit, and then put in the rest of the ingredients. Greens are really good for your blood, for your liver, so you definitely want to have as much greens in your food as possible. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is basically dump everything in there. I'm going to scoop this avocado in here. I love avocado. All this healthy fats. And we're starting our next challenge in March. So you might want to check it out, and you might want to get in it so you can release the fat. We don't want it, we just want to be healthy, and we want to maintain healthy weight, right? So come on in, we'll help you do that. Okay, I'm going to blend everything, and then the last thing will be to put in our powders, all right? Okay, it looks like, ooh, my smoothie is looking good. I'm just going to add my powders to it, and then we're good to go. This is the pea protein powder. Okay, during our detox week, we don't do any meat, so this will serve as the protein. And this sea moss and the burdock and everything gives you a lot of minerals. Okay, so we got everything that we need right here. I'm going to just mix it up a little. Okay, my smoothie is all good to go. Oh, look at this beautiful color. I love it, love it, love it. Okay. See, it's not overly thick, and it's just the right consistency. I like to add about half a teaspoon of my MCT oil. And being that there's already avocado in here, you might not even need that. Okay, let me taste this. This tastes incredible. Honestly, I think I should call it green goodness, That's how good it is. Anyway, I like to pour it into my glass jar and store it and then drink it gradually. You can keep it up to 2 days, but not more than 2 days, because the longer you keep it, it's going to lose nutrients, and that would defeat the whole purpose of making it. Okay, so this is it. Here you go. You can use this, and we're starting our next challenge in March. You may want to join us. I have people losing between 10 to 20 pounds within the 3 weeks and doing great and glowing and just feeling amazing. Okay, I did it myself this time around, and already I've lost about 10 pounds, and we have 1 more week to go. Okay, so check us out, and I'll be putting all the ingredients in the body of the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at zubeesorganickitchen.com, and I look forward to helping you. Like I say, you have only one body. Take care of it. Until I talk to you again, stay blessed, stay happy, and most importantly, follow your dreams.